Hello friends, in today's Chemistry Notes Info podcast, we are going to learn top 10 interesting facts about beryllium element. As we all know, beryllium is a relatively rare and unique element with interesting properties. So, fact number 1 is that beryllium has the atomic number 4 on the periodic table and its chemical symbol is Be. Fact number 2. Beryllium is a relatively rare element in the Earth's crust, making up just 0.0002% of its composition. Fact number 3. Beryllium is both lightweight and exceptionally strong, which makes beryllium element very valuable in various applications, especially aerospace and defense. Fact number 4. It has a low density, only about a third that of aluminum. That's why it is used in lightweight structural materials. Fact number 5. Beryllium dust or fumes are toxic and can cause a severe lung conditions known as berylliosis. Special precautions are required when working with beryllium. Fact number 6. Beryllium has a high melting point of 1287 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 2471 degrees Celsius. Fact number 7. Beryllium is transparent to X-rays, making it useful in X-ray windows, medical and industrial X-ray equipment, and in the construction of synchrotron radiation source. Fact number 8. Beryllium metal is often used as an alloying agent in materials like copper, resulting in beryllium copper alloys known for their high electrical conductivity and resistance to corrosion. Fact number 9. In some nuclear reactors, beryllium is used as a neutron moderator to slow down neutrons and enhance nuclear reactions. Fact number 10. Beryllium is used in components of spacecrafts, satellites, and telescopes due to its lightweight, strong, and stable properties, making it an ideal choice for use in space. Dear friends, you can visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com and read all interesting facts about all elements of periodic table, and you can also get attractive and downloadable infographics on interesting facts of beryllium or other elements of periodic tables. You can easily download these infographics and share with your friends. Dear friends, you can also get physical and chemical properties of beryllium or all other elements from our websites. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com.